Few months ago, I lost everything. I was down, no. I was almost depressed. I didn't, maybe I was even depressed, so maybe. Whew. Okay, sis. My name is IDAK. I am a mom to four amazing children. Hey, my children fine. Oh. Let me tell you my story. Yeah. I have a BSc in architecture from Niger, from a Nigerian university, and I also have a master's in project and infrastructure management from a UK university. Okay, when I got into the UK, I started having babies almost immediately. That's why I have four amazing kids, right? And when I started having babies, I said to myself, I want to stay at home to look after my babies. I just wanted to, watch my kids grow. I didn't think I wasn't really like this career person that would say, okay, career before family. I had to put my babies first. So I got registered as a proper childcare provider where I was looking after my kids and also making money from home. But guess what? A few months ago, something happened to me. My source of income just, I lost my source of income. Heartbreak, the pain, my hard work, I was so hurt. I was so devastated. It broke me. Like I would sit down for like on one spot. I would sit on one spot and not know what to do. I was so heartbroken. At some point, I even felt like I've lost the connection between my partner and my children. It was hard though, sis. I was always constantly thinking, how am I going to build this back? What am I going to do? What do I do? At some point, I was even saying to myself, I don't want to have depression. I beg. I don't want to. Even at some point, I felt like I was almost, there, you know. But as a Niger babe, I was like, no, I can't have my depression. But it was bad. It was bad. And then one day, a friend said to me, why don't you just go out and just walk? ID, get out of your house and walk. You need to just walk. Every time I'll put on my trainers and step outside my home, like go for a walk, that is when I will pray. That is when I'll be thinking. That's when I'll be saying to myself, ID, why did you even put all your eggs in one basket? When I started walking, I wasn't walking to lose weight. I was walking to feel good. I was walking for my mental health. I was walking to just enjoy my peace. Walking gave me a sense of control, like control around my mental health, control around my peace. Like when I stepped out to walk, I know I am in charge of my life. So that is why I am here to share my journey. Look, my page is not about walking to lose weight. It's about becoming stronger emotionally, physically, mentally, financially, anything at all. It's about building habits that will last, building habits that will stick, building habits that will make you feel good, achievable goals that will be, that will help you get to wherever you want to go to. While I was walking, I noticed that my weight dropped, my mood improved, I started eating better, I started sleeping better. And I thought, oh, there might be somebody, out there that would need this sort of advice and they are really struggling with, what to do and and how to go about, you know, adjusting, making adjustment. And I thought, okay, let me jump on the internet, let me jump on social media and share my journey with a fellow sister. So I'm here talking about still rebuilding and still working every day. If you're on a phase in your life where you think there's no hope, oh, I don't know what to do, this weight is getting to me, my mood keeps changing, or what do I do about my eating? I'm eating too, different things. Come with me on this journey. Let's do this work together. You're going to see a lot of good changes. Yeah, your body will thank you, your mood will thank you, your mind will thank you, your family members will also thank you, because guess what? My kids have been so, my family, kids, partner, everyone, they've seen a different ID, and my businesses too have seen a different me. Drop your name in the comments, say hello to me, and let's get going. Let's get working together. It's nice meeting you. You're now my new bestie. Okay, come back here every day. I will be dropping a video to encourage you on this journey. Take care, bestie. I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye, darling. Bye. Remember, be healthy and do healthy all the time. Take care.